by dx plus y minus x equal to minus x not equal to plus xy cot x equal to 0. That's all. Solve. Is it a homogeneous differential equation?
No.
No. Because the reason is near the cortex, xy is there, x power 1, y power 1, so the power is 2. So x into dy by dx equal to x minus y minus xy cot x. We can write like this. This is not the homogeneous differential equation. Automatically, what is the next suspected method?
IF.
VF.
EF. So that formation should come like this. dy by dx plus py equal to q. The formation should come like this. But it is not coming. Anyway, I tried to make it dy by dx equal to x minus y. I'll take it common from this one. 1 plus x cot x divided by x. It is clearly shows that it is not the homogeneous differential equation. Because the denominator power is 1, no problem. Numerator power is 1. Here numerator power is 1. Here constant is coming. Here constant is coming. Here cortex is there. Near the cortex the power is coming 1. This also correct. This also correct. But here 1 should not come. 1 should not come. This is wrong. Okay. So now what happened next step? Again you write separately. Tell me how to write separately.
1 minus y by x.
1 minus y
Yes.
by 1 plus x cot x.
Yes. What is the next one?
Sir, 1 minus
So this side it will come here. Minus becomes plus.
plus
So 1 plus
x cot x
ah,
divided by x
x ah,
into y
into
y
y equal to
1.
1. As per this
1.
problem, what is the value for p?
1 plus x cot x divided by x.
Shall I write that value of p is equal to like this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'll write like this. Correct only, no?
Yes.
Yes. What is the value
Yes,
for
sir.
Q?
1.
1. Then IF we have to find. Yes. What is 1 by x differentiation? Integration?
minus 1 by x square.
Huh?
log x.
Log x.
Log
sir.
x.
Log x,
Hey,
sir.
யாரா நீயே எக்ஸாம் எழுத போற ஒரு வாரத்துல 1 by x differentiation is log x. What is the cot x integration?
Log of cot x minus cosec.
Log,
Log sin x.
log sin x. ஏன்டா இப்படி ஆகி போனீங்க? Log sin x equal to, now this is e power log of x into
Sin x.
sin x. So e power x sin x equal to x into sin x. This is integrating factor. What is the next one?
Y into integrating factor
IIF
is
equal to
integral QIF.
எங்க எழுதி வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? Written this one somewhere?
yes,
Formula
sir.
notebook?
Yes, sir.
Keep on, I'm telling, but in the school means I'll check you. I cannot check now. ACT school is going to open only December first week. Before month of December, impossible. School is thinking that to declare holiday in month of September after the UPSC examination. Okay, now what is this method? Integral x sin x into dx. What is this method?
We got
Integral pi parts.
By part.
Yes, integral pi parts, you do yourself.
By part.
Okay, yes, pi parts. You do next column. Y into dx plus y into dx plus x minus y square into dy. Is it homogeneous?
no, sir.
Yeah, why it is no?
Sir, power of y is
Two.
square is
Power of
coming.
numerator is
One term of y, the degree is coming 2, so no. Then automatically you can suspect what method?
IF.
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 Tell me what shall I do?
Expands.
Huh?
Divide by dx.
Divided
Whole
by
equation
dx.
divided by x, sir.
So the whole equation is divided by dx. So it becomes like this. Yes. What shall I do next step? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is correct. But how shall I make a dy by dx plus py equal to q? மேல ஒன்று தான் இருக்கு, y தான் இருக்கு, கீழே ரெண்டு டேர்ம் இருக்கு. இந்த மேக்ஸிமம் நம்ம இன்னும் ஒரு சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணணும்னா எப்படி பண்ணிக்கலாம்னா, நம்ம அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் வேணும்னா dy by dx is equal to மேக்ஸிமம் இந்த மைனஸ் ரிமூவ் பண்ணணும்னா இப்படி ரிமூவ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். How I removed that value of minus?
Multiplied in
Multiply denominator.
Multiplied numerator and denominator by minus. What shall I do next?
Plus x minus x.
That's all. We cannot make variable separable method also. Will you make?
No, sir.
No. So now there is a method. What is the method? No, that also called linear integrating factor only, making the reciprocal dx by dy equal to, automatically I am getting y square minus x divided by y. So this one I am getting like this, dx by dy equal to y minus x by y. This one again I am getting like this, dx by dy plus x by y equal to y. See, this is like this, dx by dy another form plus px equal to q, also called integrating factor. This is the formation of dx by dy plus py equal to q. Look here, dy by dx means near that py. Here dx by dy mean near the p, which is x. Now from this one you tell me what is integrating factor.
Log y. E to power log y.
One by y.
P? No, I will tell the formula.
dy.
P
Pdy.
dy.
y.
E to y.
py. pdy. And அங்க என்ன இருக்கு?
PDX.
pdx. Now you tell me the formation, how to form it.
X into integrating
X
factor
into
Very good.
integrating factor.
X into integrating factor
equal to
integral
Q into integrating factor
q into integrating factor
dy plus C.
So now this problem how to solve? How to solve?
Integrating factor we have to fix.
Now what is the value for P as per this problem?
X. 1 by y.
What is the value for Q?
y.
Y.
So integrating factor equal to e power integral P into dy e power integral by dy equal to e power
log y
Log y.
what is e power log y.
equal to
Y.
y.
Now this formation is x into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor into dy plus c. X into y is equal to integral y into y dy plus c equal to integral that's all. Will you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now that's all. Three things are over. Now I'll give some common problem. You yourself you find out and you solve it. Okay? Huh?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
Nothing. I won't tell anything. You solve yourself. What shall I do first? First of all, what method you tell me?
Homogeneous.
Integrating factor method.
Integrating factor.
IF, sir.
dxy
Integrating factor. அப்ப இப்படி தலைகள் எழுத சொல்றியா? Writing dy by dx. Tell me integrating
dx
factor.
dx by dy.
dx by dy.
dx by
போட்டா என்ன ஆயிரும்? X into e power xy plus y square into e power xy. சரி, இது என்னவா மாறுங்க நீ x by y ஆ மாறிடும் பிளஸ் நீ என்ன சொல்ற dx by dy y cancel பண்ணிக்கோ. இப்படி சொல்றியா? அப்போ dx by dy what is the value for p?
minus 1 by
Minus 1 by
Minus
y.
1 by y.
What is the value for q?
Y by
Y by e power x
y
plus
by
x by
e to the power 1 minus 1 by y.
ஏன்
Yes.
x by y இருக்குல்ல? The q is the full term is called q, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then you see the previous problems, how the value of q is coming. You take the first type dy by dx plus py equal to q. First few problem நம்ம போட்டுப்போம்ல, dy by dx plus py equal to q. What is the value for q? Everything is in terms of what?
X.
X.
Huh?
X and y.
x and y ரெண்டு இருக்கா q?
Only X.
X or Y.
Only X.
See, dy by dx plus py equal to q. இந்த மெத்தட்ல இந்த மெத்தட் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மெத்தட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மெத்தட்ல இன்டகிரேட்டிங் ஃபேக்டர்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மெத்தட். அப்போ the value of q வந்து in terms of what? In terms of either x or y. Tell me.
X.
Yes. Exactly. It will be in terms of x only. ஏன்னா இங்க y இருக்கிறதுனால here it should be x only. சரி, இப்போ ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் போட்ட நீ dy by dx now what is this terms of q? Previous problem பாரு நீ
Y.
y only என்ன சொல்லணும்? ஆனா நீ இப்ப நீ போட்டுக்கிற ப்ராப்ளத்தை பார்த்தா y only. But dx by dy இந்த கணக்கு போடும்போது what you are getting the value of q?
X and Y.
X and y. So integrating factor method is wrong for this problem. That's all. IF method is wrong for this problem. Okay, now what is the next suspected method?
Homogeneous differential.
Homogeneous.
Homogeneous.
Now I want to say yes, it is a homogeneous. Why? This is your UPSC problem. That's why I am writing like this. This is your UPSC sum. Then what is the power? It may be your question. So here the denominator power x is 1. The e power x by y is coming, no? E power x by y. What is the total power here, x by y?
1.
1. So 1 plus 1, what is the power here?
2.
2.
Y square, what is the power here?
2.
2.
So what is the common power in the denominator?
2.
2. Now you see the numerator.
2.
Y power is 1.
2.
E power x by y power is 1. So answer is 2. So numerator power and the denominator power is same. So where it is not possible, wherever you have that sign trigonometry function is there as the heart y by x, you should not calculate. I told you or not?
Yes, sir.
We done the problem or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now write it somewhere, note. Whenever the e power is coming, we should consider that is one of the power. So e power x by y, consider that power is 1. Good. So this one is the homogeneous differential equation. Solve it, you'll get the answer. I'll write the answer. If you want, I'll give the answer. Do you want the answer? Yes, your answer equal to e power x by y equal to e power x by y equal to y plus c. This is your answer. Right, next problem. Find the general solution of the differential equation y into dx minus x into dy equal to 0 is
Option C.
C, sir.
C, sir. C.
C.
option C is the correct answer. What method you follow?
Variable separate.
Variable
Variable
Variable.
separation.
What method you need? Variable
Separation.
separable method you done this problem. Okay, next problem.
C, sir.
Hmm?
C.
First of all, what method?
integrating.
IF.
IF.
Integrating.
Integrating factor.
Yes. Some people you may be thinking that this problem also like the previous problem homogeneous. No. Here e power x is coming. Okay. Here y into e power x is coming. Here x is coming. Y into e power x. What is the power here?
Yes.
2.
2. So better you do one thing. You find the dy by dx. So divided by dy by dx. Yes. Answer C is correct. You tell me how to do this one.
dy by
dy
dx
by dx equal to
minus
minus y plus
minus y minus 2x
plus
by e
2x
power
by e
x.
power.
So now we can write dy by dx
plus y equal to
Plus y
plus
equal
y
to
is equal to
minus 2x by e power x.
this is the linear IF method. Since here py is coming, here everything is in terms of what?
X.
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 There everything is in terms of X.
X only.
X only. அடிச்சான் அடி இதானே சொன்ன கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி ஓகே ஒன் மோர் ப்ராப்ளம் ஒன் பிளஸ் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் into dy by dx plus 2xy square root x square plus last problem. Last problem. What method? என்னங்கடா பில்டர் ஆகுது வாட் மெத்தட்
if
IF why it is not homogeneous tell the answer immediately
Square root
power 9
ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் ரெண்டாவது காரணம் என்ன சொல்லலாம்னா இங்க x பவர் 1 இங்க y பவர் 1 2 கரெக்ட் தான் ஆனா இங்க x ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கு வாட் இஸ் ஹியர்
Constant.
கான்ஸ்டன்ட் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் 1 is a constant இங்க y ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கலாம் y square plus x square it's all right but here 1 is there 1 is a constant so impossible okay so the question is like that dy by dx divided by 1 plus x square plus yes now what is the value for p
2x by 1 plus x square
2x by 1 plus x square what is the value for q
root of x square plus 4
Root of
x square
yes the value of q is x only it is there so that's all your differential equation is over you should know how to find out first you suspect the method is homogeneous fails then you go to integrating factor two methods are there both the methods are not there then you go to variable separable method so tomorrow I'll start probability thank you
thank you sir
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.